What's going on, guys? I'm here for a haircut, and it looks like the V9 update is finally ready. So I'm going to start the update and let you guys know what it's like. Also, if you tap this fast, you don't have to wait 2 minutes. Alright, just finished the haircut. I'm going to go see if the update is finished. Here it is, the V9 update. Auto steer and auto lane change. I believe the auto lane change is still not available yet. Blind spot warning. I've seen videos of this. Looks pretty useful, except for the fact that it doesn't actually make an audible sound. So you'll have to kind of look at the screen. I'm going to do a separate video on the dash cam. So now you can plug in a USB drive, and you'll have a dash cam functionality. So that's really great because installing a black view or anything along those lines it's expensive, and also the Model 3, you need to actually tap into the 12-volt battery, and I've heard it causes issues. It's good that Tesla's getting the dash cam in there. It doesn't record while you're stopped, so if you're parked and someone hits your car, it's not going to be able to detect that, but for driving at least, it's working, and I'm sure later on they'll add in more functionality. We'll do more your mobile app. Oh yeah, so I believe you'll be able to allow your passengers to control the media. Yep, and also you can start your software updates from your phone. So that's really great. The new app launcher, calendar. Don't care about that. Energy app. That'll be interesting to check out. Finally, get a web browser. Sense bars being rearranged to make the time and temperature easier view. Okay. Climate control. Navigation, use HOV. What's navigation? Directions have been moved to the left. I have mixed feelings about this because I usually look at the map. I don't really look at the directions that much, but we'll see how it is. Traffic view. Media. Don't really care about this. I'm still waiting for Spotify. Seatbelt card alerts. Okay, it doesn't affect me. Obstacle aware acceleration. Oh yeah, in the games. So I guess the first thing we'll do is just actually go and look through and see what's different. So this definitely is new here. So this opens up. Let's all the programs. You get this old timey phone, which is pretty awesome. And everything else here looks the same, I believe. So if it's, I've read about this. So if it's synced, it's actually going to be just one slider here. But then if you don't sync it, yeah, now it's separate like that. Okay, that's pretty cool. So you don't actually get to pick between split and not split streams anymore. So that would be like a combined stream, and then if you go like that, it looks like it's split up. You can see kind of how it's split from up here. The visualization's kind of hard to see, actually. I'm filming this on my phone, so not the best quality, but even looking in person, it's it's white on white. The wind is white, and this background's kind of grayish white, so it's not the easiest to see, but I guess it'll have to do. We're here. And also, you can just look here, I guess, if you really cared about your exact positioning. And here are the heated seats. This looks the same, except, all off. So if you... Oh, that's nice. Up here, everything looks pretty much about the same, except there's a gap here, which I believe was not here before. And yeah, yep, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth have been moved over. Let's check down here. So we got the calendar. Whoops. The calendar. I don't have calendar access on my phone, actually, so don't really care about that. Look at energy. Okay, so now we have a nice energy chart. Projected range. Energy usage over the last 5 miles, 15 miles, and 30 miles. Average range, instant range. I guess instant range is just based off of your energy consumption at the most recent point, while average is averaged over this time period. We got the web. Oh, Tesla website. It's smooth. Wow. I'm really impressed. I actually thought this would be slow and laggy. Search for the most awesome channel on the internet. That's not me. It's not me. These are me. I know YouTube doesn't work, videos don't work, but there you go. Most awesome channel on the interwebs. Your browser doesn't currently recognize any of the video formats available. Yep. So they don't allow you to watch videos in the car, obviously. And then you have call. I believe if you hold this down, it'll change the ahoy hoy. Yeah, that's so awesome. Let's check out the new games. Missile Command. So this is a little bit before my time. Although I did actually have an Atari as a kid. Very cool, very cool. Okay. Let's see, how do I exit out of this? Oh, exit. Or another game. Let's play Asteroids. This is really hard to play one-handed. Oh no! Wait, what just happened? Oh, does that teleport you? Wait, was that a function in the original Asteroids? I don't remember that. You just warp into a random spot. Okay. Very cool. And the last one, Lunar Lander. I've never beaten this game. I'm terrible at this game. So, let's give this a try. Four X, 2X. Let's just aim for the 2X. Gotta slow down my speed. So try to get a little bit more over that way to the right. Oh, come on. Oh, crap. Oh, shit, I'm gonna hit the side. Oh, that was a good try. That was a good try. The last thing we're going to try is the new navigation UI updates. Navigate to Happy Lemon. Okay, so this all shows up on the left side now. Let's pick this one. Okay, yeah. So now it's all on this way. The font looks a little different. Okay, so if you swipe down, you get the full list of directions. So you swipe up, it'll be minimized. So that is the V9 update for the Tesla Model 3. The changes are obviously not as drastic for me as for people who have the Model S or the Model X, since they basically switched into a more Model 3-ish UI. But yeah, I really like all the features so far. I'm going to have to do a little bit more testing on the dash cam and also the new autopilot features. I don't think they're fully out yet, the drive on nav and the automatic lane changes. But once that's fully out, I'll do a video on that. And definitely for the dash cam, I'm going to do some testing on it and make sure my crappy USB drives will be able to record footage well on it, see if the footage is stuttery, look at the quality of the footage. So look forward to that video. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Later.